Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about data types in Java. For this, create a new project. Click Next. Type a name data type. Click Finish. And in our source folder, right click, then New, and create a new package. Type a package name like this. Then right click this, New, and then a Java class. Type a Java class name data type. So first, integer value 120. We have different data types here. Integer, then float like this, float temperature, and we have to write f for the float, and boolean result is equals to true, and string greetings hello, and then a type character code is equals to D, and for character we have to write a character under single quote. Let's write our main method, public static void main, and then system.out.println. Copy this and paste it for 5 times, and for value val, temperature temp, result, then for greetings, and for code, and then click this run, and then run, choose the file data types, and here you can see that we have error that the non-static variable value cannot be referenced from a static context. It is because we have our values here, and if we want to access all of these values in our main method, we have to write static before these methods, but we will not do this right now. So cut all of these variables and paste it in main method, then click this play button, and here we have the result. These are the primitive data types, and we have others like byte, short, long, double. For byte, let's write num 100, for short num2 5000, for long, and we will write L at the end, and this L could be in capital letter or small letter, and for double we will write D at the end. A string stores sequence of characters. We can store any sequence of characters in our variable. Copy these lines and change its values to these variables. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.